How to recover Messenger deleted photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open File Manager on your device. In here, at the bottom, click on Storage. After you've clicked on Storage at the bottom, you'll find Internal Storage. Simply click on Internal Storage. Then click on Android at the top. After you click on Android, click on Media. After you click on Media, you'll find Facebook or Messenger option. In my phone, it's inside Facebook, so I'll click on Facebook and click on Messenger in here. Now, as you can see, there are two pictures that were deleted. Simply hold on to the pictures you want to recover and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find these options pop up. Click on Share. Then you can share it anywhere you want and recover your photos. This is how to recover photos on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.